Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word tidiness. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His room was always in a state of perfect tidiness, with everything neatly arranged and organized. Tidiness refers to the quality or state of being neat, orderly, and well organized, characterized by the absence of clutter and the presence of cleanliness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.